Hey friends, if you encounter the issue or the error, choose what the closing of the lid does options is missing in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now press the Windows key and the R key together, type the command power cfg.cp, go to any of your plan settings. There's usually an option, choose what closing the lid does, or you will find it on the list on the left hand side, choose what closing the lid does. Okay, and then you'll find the option here when I press the power button, when I close the lid and all. But if this option is missing, then what would you do in that case? So I have a command for you. I will share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, that is it. It says the operation completed successfully. Now you will get that option in the power settings. In my case, I already had that, so it won't show a difference, but it will show a difference on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.